Good morning. This is year 9, week 5 with numbers. Today we will need to learn about numbers, which is we are focused on the estimate of the square roots and cube roots. Okay. So before that, you need to know about negative number. Okay, negative number. Okay, negative number. Okay. So sometimes we call it a directed number, okay, which is with the direction, with the direction. Okay. Direct number are number which have direction as well as the size. Okay. The direction can be positive, okay, in which case the temperature rise above the 0, or negative for temperature below 0. Okay. In this number line, it means that the number moved to the right is positive, number moved to the left is negative. Okay. So when we have this one, okay, when we have, for example, okay, here, when you have a number line, this is -3, we are standing here, -3 plus 5.4, okay, that means we'll need to move to the right for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is -2, -1, 0, and 1 and 2, this is 2, and then another 4, small one. So the answer will be 2.4. So on the other case, if this number is too small, okay, if this number is -2 minus or negative again 5.1, okay, it means that you are here at -2, okay, and then you need to move to the negative, mean move to the left for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then a little bit 1, okay. So this one will be -3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 and 1. So it's -7 and 1. Okay, sometimes we may say this one, okay, in this case, we may rethink that this is -2 and -2 plus minus 5.1, okay, we will think this is as a -2 plus a negative direction 5.1, okay. So again, the same thing is that negative is actually plus negative, okay. So in front of any sign, whether this is positive or negative, in front there's a plus, which means that another action, okay. So it means that we need to move 5 and 1 here and stop at -7.1. Same thing happened to this, okay. Okay, so but sometimes we were saying that if the negative okay, means what? Can you see? If we have 3 minus -1, okay, so it means that if this is number line, this is 3, you're standing here at number 3, okay. 3 minus 1 is also 3. You plus the number 1 minus and the second one minus. So you need to do 2 actions. So minus means you need to go to the other side, this side, but another minus will reverse the direction. So I'm moving this way already. So it's another 1, so it's 4. So sometimes we may say 3 minus 1 will become like 3 plus 1, so it's 4. Some silly tricks will always teach us that minus is 2 stroke. So when you try to make 2 stroke, 1, 2. So this one will be a positive. Okay. So if I have 4 minus 2, okay, this is 1, 2, 3. So if I want to make 3 stroke, 1, 2, 3. So this is negative. That means this is equal to 4 minus 2, which is a 2. Okay. So this is very important, but this one I have already shown you in the year 8. So we shall go on with the multiplying and dividing. Multiplying and dividing. Okay. Multiplying a negative number is straightforward. Okay, so can you see? Negative 3 times 3 times, so it's negative, and negative 5 times 3 times is negative 5 plus negative 5 plus negative 5, so it's negative 15. Okay, similarly, if I have 3 times negative 5, it's the same thing, is negative 15. Okay, so again, can you see that if negative 5 times 3 is negative 15, so you have, if I divide this one, negative 5 here, so 3 is negative 15 divided by negative 5. Okay, so can you see negative divided by negative, you get the positive idea here. So a negative number divided by a negative number will give you a positive number. Okay, and also a negative 5 is equal to negative 15 divided by 3. It means that a negative number divided by a positive number, you get a negative number. Okay, it means that just now, for example, if this is 4 divided by 2, I know it's 2, right? So if this is negative 4 divided by a positive 2, negative and positive will give you a negative. So it's negative 2. Okay. So if negative 4 divided by negative 2, okay, because this is 2 stroke, right? 2 strokes, so the answer is positive. So negative divided by negative will get you a positive 2. Okay, this is the idea for this one. Okay. So the focus of today's lesson will be this one. Okay. We will need to try to estimate the root and cube, square root and cube root. Okay, but before that, we need to know this one. Before that, we need to know this one, which is this list. You need to use your color pencil or anything you have to draw your own list of the cube and the square. Okay, so when we have square and we have cube, okay, we shall write it in our answer, which is this is 1 power 2, 1 power 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 6 square, 6 cube, 7 square, 7 cube, 8 square, 8 cubed, 9 square, 9 cube, 10 square, 10 cube. Okay. So you need to get familiar for these two numbers before you can proceed. So this one is 1, this one is 4, this one is 9, this one is 16, this one is 25, this one is 36, this one is 49, 64, 81, 100. And for this side is 1, 8, 27, 64. This 64 is 64 is the same, right? Okay. And we have 125, 216, 343, 512, 729, and 1000. Okay. After you know this, then we can estimate. Okay. So, can you estimate for me? Okay. Yes, you should try this one. Okay. So, which of these following is obviously wrong? Okay. So, I think if I say, I think it should happen. I can read this one as well. Okay. Yeah. So, if I say square root of 20 is close to 5.1, do you think this is correct? Okay. So, 20 is between, okay, this 20 is between 16 and 25. Sorry, 25. Okay. So this one is 4 and this one is 5. So this number is between 4 and 5. So if I say this is 5 and above, definitely this is wrong. Okay. Again, we should try this one, another one. Where I say this one is around 1.7. Okay, let's try. This 3 is in between 1 and 4. So this one is 1. This is 2. So this is all square root 3 equals 3 is between 1 and 2. Yes, I think this is correct. What about another one? 95 is near to 91. Let's check. 95 is in between 81 and 100. Okay. So this one is 9 and this one is 10. So it's in between 9 and 10. Yes, this is correct as well. Okay. So for the estimate, we should do this one and try to estimate our answer to 1 decimal place. Okay. However, the book of this book, they introduce a special way of this. Okay. Challenge. Challenge. Okay, by using this formula. Okay. Okay, I should guide you on this formula as well for today's lesson. Okay, the formula here is this number. Find a way or to find the square root by using the square root button on your calculator. Okay, to find 5. Okay, so you need to use the formula rules. This is our next estimation is equal to bracket last estimation plus 5. This is the number. Okay, divide by last estimation close divide by 2. Okay. Okay. Then for 5, we should try. Okay. For example, this one, I use other color. Okay. So because 2 power by 2 is 4. So it's quite near to 5. So I estimate the number is 4. So I should put in, no, the 2. Okay. I should put in the 2 here. So this is the 2 plus 5 divided by 2 and divide by 2. what I get is if 9 of 2 divided by 2, that means that's times 1 of 2. So my answer is 9 of 4, which is 2.25. Okay, so now the number is raised to 2.25. So this one will be my next estimation. Okay, so now I should put this 2.25 again into this position. Okay. Okay, and then 2.25. Next, I should use other color again. So now I use 2.25 plus 5 divided by 2.25 and then divide by 2. So it's to see whether the answer is get closer or not. Okay, I think I should try to use the calculator. A bracket 2.25 plus fraction 5 and 2.25, and then I close the bracket. Okay, and then divide by 2. So the answer is 2.23. Okay, 2.23. Okay, so is it get closer? Let's see. The answer of the third 5 is actually 2.23. Yes, 2.23. We can use this method to find as closer to this answer. Okay, you see. So it's 2.23. Okay, we can use this number to estimate our other answer. Okay. So this is a method to show you how to find the closer to the square roots. So allow me to say it again. This is the number of the 5 here, and then this is your first estimation, and then estimation, and then divide by 2. You fill in everything, you get this one. This is a new estimation using this number to put here and here. Then after some time, you will get closer and closer with this number. Okay, if you want to try some more, this is 2.23 only. Okay, you can try some more to see whether this one can close to the 2.236 or not. Okay, we shall try this one. So our next one also, I change another color because it will not confuse you. Okay, so now it's the 2.23 plus 5 divided by 2.23 divided by 2. So can we see the answer? Okay, then we go back to the calculator, which is 2.23 plus 5 divided by, oh sorry, plus a 5 divided by 2.23, and then we close the bracket and divide by 2. Yes, so now it's more closer, 2.2360. So it's the same thing, 2.2360. Okay, so it's quite close to the number already. So this is only third time. So you should do to try this number for other number as well. Okay. Okay, you can try this number. Let me try another number for you. So this is 28. Okay, so 28 is 5.29150. Okay, so using the method just now, the first one is Okay, this number is near to the 5. Okay, for example, 5. Because 5 times 2 is 25. Okay, we can use 5 first. Okay, so this 5 plus the 28 divided by 5 and then divide by 2. Okay, let's see what's the answer. Okay, this is 5.3. Okay, yeah, we are using this 5.3 again. Number 2, 5.3 plus 28 divided by 5.3 divided by 2. So this one, I go back this one to make it a 0.3, and then this one also a 0.3. So it's 5.3 plus 28 divided by 5.3. So my answer will be yes, 5.29150. Okay, 150. So it's quite close already. Okay, you should try on another number. Maybe we should try another number. Okay, you should try in your house. Okay, so I think I will stop here and we move to another subject. Okay, which is a large number estimation. For example, this number. This number. 5273514. Okay. So to estimate this last number, we need to divide the number into a pair. Okay, from the right here, 2 as a group, 2 as a group, 2 as a group. Okay, and then the estimate number will be, this one is round to the 4 just now, the 4, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So you can get this one is 0, 0, 0, and 2. So it's roughly 2 something. So if just now our 2 give you the number of this one, the 5, where's the 5 just now the number? That's the 5 one. Yeah. If this is 5 one give you 2.23, so this one will be 2, 2, 3, 6, close to 2, 2, 3, 6. Okay, we should use your calculator to press the answer and see. 5273514. So this is for 2.96. 2296 is 2236. Okay, it's around the same. Can you see the previous number is the same? Okay, so we should try another number, which is this one. 6872. We should break into 2 numbers. So this one you put a digit here, and then this is 68. 68 is near to the 64, which is 8. It should be 80. So we should try. Yeah, it's around 80. You see. So another number, 91110, and then every 2 number you have 1. Every pair you have 1 0, and then this is 3. So this is close to 300. Let's see and try. 91110. Yes, it's around 300 and 301. Okay, you should use this way to find the large number. Now you can use this way to find a large number estimation for the cube root. For example, 7654321. This is 31. So for now, you need to have 3 and 3. Okay, so this one you put a 0, and this is 0. Okay, and then this is near to the 8, right? So 8 is actually 2 power of 3. Okay, so this one is 2. So let's check our answer. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, sorry, I forget to press the root. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's 197. 197, which is close to 200. Yes, this is correct. You may try to use another number and try to solve this one. Okay, I may give you a suggestion number so that you can solve this one. Okay, here. 26 9 3 2 4 5 1. Okay, 3. Okay, so every 3, no, it's not every pair, every 3, you draw a line, So this one you put 0, put 0. 26 is close to 27. 27, which is 3 powered by 3. So I should put a 3 here. So my estimate is 300. So you can check with your calculator. Cube root. Okay, 26, 932, 451. Okay, press the answer. 299. Yes, 299 is close to 300. So we can always use this method in our daily life, because in some time when we need to do a fast decision when buying something or counting a discounted rate, okay, this estimate will help you to do the decision easily and faster. Okay, and the number given also will be more unstable. Okay, you can understand it easily. Okay. The next one will be recognizing and multiplying and dividing the power of 10. Okay. So if we have 10 power of 4, you know that this is 10 or 401, because as a result of 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 or 4 times. So 10 power of 2 will be 10 times 10 is 100. 10 power of 1 is 10. And you need to know 10 power 0. Okay, anything power 0 is 1. Okay, this is so special. We haven't learned yet, right? So this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, anything power by 0 is 1. Okay, and then we have 10 power by negative 1 is 1 over 10. 10 power negative 2 is 1 over 10 power 2, which is 1 over 100. Okay, so 10 power of 3 is 1 over 10 3, which is 1 over 1000. Okay, so I'll give you some tests. So 3 times 10 4 will be 3 times 10,000 will get you 30,000. Okay, 420 divided by 10 square is 420 divided by 10 square, which is 100. Okay, the answer you get is to move from here to space to get 1. So same thing happened there. So it's 4.2. Okay, number 3, 530 times 10 negative 3. 10 negative 3 is also below the line, okay, which is a denominator dividing. Okay, so it's 530 times 1 over 1000, which is, then we need to move 3 as well. 1 2 3 to get 1 here. So this one will be 0.53. Number D, 0.819 divided by 10 negative 5. This is 0.819 times 1. This one you have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you have 5. So the answer you get, this one if you don't know how to press, okay, you can always type it in the calculator and press it. Then you can get the answer you want. If you press the answer, they can give you the answer. Okay. Oh. So this one, to move here for 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one should be moved 5 times also. Oh, sorry. This is divide. Yeah? The answer I give you is divide. Okay, divide. So this is divide, sorry. If this is divide, that means when we turn to the multiplication, we need to change the position of this number. So it's 0.819 times this one. Okay, interchange become a not a fraction anymore. So this one is become big number. Become big number means that this 0.819 will become big number. So we need to move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So L20. So the answer will be 81900. Okay. Okay. Before we end the class, I give you another example. Okay, which is 2 times 10(3) will be like 2 times 1,000. You get you 2,000. If I have 63,000 divided by 10(4), it means that 63,000 divided by 10,000, you get to become smaller for 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 6.3. If the number is divided, surely it gets smaller, so you need to move to the left. Okay. The last example, 0.25 divided by 10 negative 2. Okay, so this is 0.25 divided by 100, and then we need to turn it over. So to make it 0.25 times 100. So 2 times 100 is to make the number bigger, so should move to the right 2 times, so it's 25 for this question. Okay, this is Mr. Henry Clement for the year 9. Okay, for the year 9 class. Okay, I'm using these books. Okay, if you like to join us our class, okay, you always look back again, and please comment and let us know and motivate us. Okay, so that we can continue to do this one until the end of July. Okay, so and we also hope that you can enjoy this class. Okay, if you need any help on tuition or notes, always go to our Facebook. The material will be available there. Thank you very much. See you on next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Bye.